Some races are about speed. This one is about time itself. From day to night and back again. Welcome to our video about the Rolex 24 at Daytona, where racing truly goes around the clock. It all begins in the bright Florida sunshine, with a packed field charging into turn one, the sounds of dozens of engines echoing off the grandstands and the banking. Prototype and GT cars weave through traffic at incredible closing speeds, each class fighting its own race while sharing the same stretch of asphalt. Strategy starts to unfold almost immediately. Fuel windows, tire choices, driver rotations, all part of a chess match that will last an entire day. As the sun sinks, the character of the race changes. The air cools, shadows stretch across the infield, and brake rotors glow as darkness falls. Under the lights, Daytona becomes a different world. The infield hums with activity as crews work through the night, and the steady rhythm of cars rushing past never truly stops. At 3 a.m., when most of the world is asleep, the race is still very much alive.
So it's an Englishman from it's a Brit from Kiwi from another from Catalan, Toyota. So knows exactly how to get the best out of a hybrid prototype racing car. And that experience, Jeremy, is surely going to be helpful with these new GTPs.
Then comes sunrise. A soft orange glow spills over the Speedway, revealing cars that now wear the marks of battle, rubber streaks, dirt, and the scars of close racing. Drivers climb in and out, starting to feel exhausted but focused, as the final hours become a sprint to the finish. What began as a mad dash has become a test of endurance, teamwork, and precision, where one mistake after 20 hours can undo everything.
Just again, as National gets up the power a little bit earlier, and there's no doubt in my mind that there's a big advantage with that accurate ARX06 is punching out of the corners, and the slower the corner it seems, the better. Turn 6, the got that.
By the time the checkered flag waves, a full cycle of day and night has passed. It's more than a race. It's an experience that engages every sense, from the thunder of engines to the quiet, unforgettable moments in the early morning hours when the track belongs to only the most dedicated.
This basic idea of optimal layout of the vehicle is called the car DNA. The motto here is follows human. The car seat does not only have to be comfortable in a short view,
muscle contraction, side bolsters, form of backrest and cushion, foam materials, seat covers, etc. But Carl Automotive considers every aspect of the driver's experience. And BP Racing offers a wide range of additives, fuels, and coolants.
And it is an event that, if you have any interest in motorsports racing, you have to experience at least once.